Hi, this is Brad from Rainwise. This is going to be how you transition your station to ambient weather. So actually, go back here. I'm on my dashboard page. I am logged in as myself or as the account administrator. And from this point, I'm going to go over to my settings tab. I'm going to click on it. It's going to explode a bunch of other tabs. And I'm going to migrate over to the partner services section. From here, you can see the first option is going to be ambient weather. So if I were to go there and click that icon, from here I would want to create an account. And standard account creation, email handle, password, so on and so forth. And then from that point, I already have an account, so we're going to go that route. I'm going to go to, sorry, it's your initial view. I'm going to go to the devices tab because I want to add my Rainwise station. So I'm going to come back to the Rainwise tab up here, hit this copy button, and then I'm going to go back over to my ambient weather tab and just paste it. Hit next. It's going to ask you typical information. Sure. So you're going through picking your location. Obviously, it gives you some references to barometric pressure from there. And then you're going to select your time zone. American New York is accurate for me. This is so that others can view your data on the weather map in general. I always suggest to keep that on. And then hit create. And then from there, all the information that's coming through my Rainwise page is able to be ported over to the ambient weather section. But there's one more thing we have to do, and that is click this little checkbox. I always do this as the last function because I typically don't want it to run into any hiccups. And then just make sure you hit this save button down the bottom. And I'm just going to look back over there again. It is still checked. Everything's good. Back over to the ambient weather. This station is not reporting at the moment, but that's why you see not reporting. From that point, I can go to my dashboard, and my devices are going to be listed right here on the upper portion. So this is where your information would come through. As I said, this one isn't reporting at the moment, but you can see the map pin. And it would tell you when it was updating here and also on the device tab right here. So back to the dashboard page. Just going to look at this NOAA station real quick. And this is what it will look like typically once your device has reported. You can adjust the tiling, so on and so forth. But this is where it's telling you the update. And then all of your metrics here, which you can kind of dig into a little bit more if you want. Just to give you a frame of reference. And then you can set your alerts here. Probably more useful for a lot of agricultural facilities, but that's the gist of it. And then from there, you can view your data on both the Rainwise page and the ambient weather page. So hopefully that's useful, and thank you very much.